Today I wanna show you how to use yolk. First time yolk, cooking yolk. Alright, has oil smell. You need to take out all the oil. So there's instruction. This is instruction. Let's follow the instruction and let's treat this yolk. First time using. So this is sponge. This is a hard scratch, can be scratched, but this is soft one. Use soft place. Alright, so let's clean up all the oil first. Let's clean up all the oil. A lot of oil smell. And rinse the water off. So now dry surface, let's apply cooking oil slowly. Cooking oil. This is the cook lightly, apply lightly cooking oil. So let's put on the fire and let's wait until it became black. They said. Basically, yolk surface have to be dark and shiny. Until dark and shiny. Heat up. Look at in the bottom, in the middle, became shiny. I think have to be like that everywhere. The color is changing. You see the difference? How it turns out this yolk. So let's make dark and shine. Take a long time for make shiny, black shiny surface. Need it. The black spot need to go away. Need to change it to this color in the middle. Did you see that difference? Almost done. Did you see how different it is after heating up and took more than 2 hours using wood fire. Take a long time to make this yolk turn around. I think this is the ready. Very beautiful, shiny. Now you see the what color is difference. Nice. Yolk is cooked completely. Look at this shiny yolk. Yolk. Took more than 2 hours. Use wood fire. Take a long time. Let's enjoy cooking on the yolk. Alright. Thanks for watching. Work is working. Nice, beautiful.